Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum is pressing charges against a man who she said was drunk and harassed her on Tuesday. The man was arrested overnight, according to Mexico City Mayor Clara Burgada, and is in custody at the Sex Crimes Investigation Unit. The incident took place when a man broke through a crowd of people greeting Sheinbaum in Mexico City and appeared to grope her, according to viral footage of the incident. Sheinbaum spoke about it earlier today.
Vivo este episodio de...
I experienced this episode of harassment. At the time, I was actually talking to other people. I realized immediately Juan Jose, who coordinates the entire assistance team, intervened, and it was only after watching the videos that I understood what had really happened, because I was talking to a lot of people. Yes, I obviously felt this person get close. He was, I repeat, completely intoxicated. I don't know if he was on drugs, but I decided to file a complaint because this is something I experienced as a woman, but it's something all women in our country experience.
Tuesday incident has raised questions about Sheinbaum's security. When asked whether she would consider increasing her security given how easily the man approached her, Sheinbaum said she will continue as usual, insisting there is no risk against her. The incident on Tuesday has reignited conversation around an issue that runs deep in Mexico. Official data shows that about 7 out of 10 women in the country have faced some form of violence, and nearly half say they've experienced sexual violence.
The impact here will be huge for the American traveler.
FAA says it will cut about 10% of flights at 40 major airports starting tomorrow. That's unless the government reopens. The reason? Air traffic controller shortages. FAA facilities report more than 400 of them since the shutdown began.
They're not calling in sick, they're calling in saying, I don't have childcare today. What do you want me to do?
Controller union leader says the need to address the strain on the system is urgent. The FAA agrees.
We're not going to wait for a safety problem to truly manifest itself when the early indicators are telling us we can take action today to prevent, things from deteriorating.
Airline source says companies got about an hour's notice about the plan. Now they're scrambling to adjust their flights. United says it aims to keep hub-to-hub schedules normal, but the CEO of Frontier Airlines warns some passengers could get stranded. He suggests people flying Frontier within 10 days book backup tickets. Across airlines, passengers leaving tomorrow might not get much warning if they're affected. That's because the FAA initially declined to name the impacted airports.
What the FAA is talking about here is equivalent to canceling about 4,500 flights a day. By my math, that's about 30% worse than the worst day for flight cancellations in the last year.
Fortnite comes to Springfield. Fortnite's 80-player Battle Royale island has become the animated town of Springfield for the month of November. In addition to giant donuts falling from the sky and a themed battle pass, the event will feature new animated Simpsons shorts premiering weekly in-game.